Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Insider. Today, we're going to show you how to invest in ETFs with low expense ratios. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are a type of investment that tracks a specific index, such as the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. ETFs are a great way to diversify your portfolio and to invest in the stock market without having to pick individual stocks. What are expense ratios? Expense ratios are the fees that are charged by ETFs to cover the costs of managing the fund. Expense ratios are typically expressed as a percentage of the fund's assets. For example, an ETF with an expense ratio of 0.1% would charge $1 for every $1,000 invested in the fund. Why invest in ETFs with low expense ratios? Low expense ratios are important because they can have a significant impact on your investment returns over time. For example, if you invest $10,000 in an ETF with an expense ratio of 0.1%, you would pay $10 in fees each year. Over 20 years, you would pay $200 in fees. However, if you invest $10,000 in an ETF with an expense ratio of 0.05%, you would only pay $5 in fees each year. Over 20 years, you would only pay $100 in fees. This difference in fees can add up to a significant amount of money over time. How to find ETFs with low expense ratios? There are a few ways to find ETFs with low expense ratios. One way is to use a financial website such as Morningstar or ETFDB. These websites allow you to compare ETFs based on their expense ratios and other criteria. Another way to find ETFs with low expense ratios is to ask your financial advisor for recommendations. Tips for investing in ETFs with low expense ratios. Here are a few tips for investing in ETFs with low expense ratios. Do your research. Before you invest in any ETF, it's important to do your research and to understand what the ETF tracks. You should also read the fund's prospectus to learn more about the fund's fees and other risks. Consider your investment goals. ETFs are a versatile investment tool that can be used to achieve a variety of investment goals. When choosing ETFs, it's important to consider your investment goals and time horizon. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. As your investments grow and change, it's important to rebalance your portfolio regularly. This will help to ensure that your portfolio is still aligned with your investment goals. Investing in ETFs with low expense ratios is a great way to diversify your portfolio and to invest in the stock market without having to pick individual stocks. Just be sure to do your research and to consider your investment goals before investing in any ETF. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated. We'll see you next time.